So here we can see what is the need for station keeping in the satellites. We know that different forces, external forces which are acting on the satellite, and these external forces will change the path of the satellite. It may change the distance of the satellite from the Earth's surface, or it may change the inclination of the satellite. So like this, all these external forces can act on the satellite and change the path of the satellite. And the external forces which are acting on the satellites, we call them as orbital perturbations. And mainly these orbital perturbations are due to the Earth's oblateness. Because the Earth is there is the gravity on the surface of the Earth is not evenly distributed. It changes because the shape of the Earth is flattened at the poles and bulged at the equator. And there may be some atmospheric drag for low Earth orbit satellites. And due to the heat or solar radiation which is produced by the sun, and due to the gravitational force of the sun, moon, and even the other stars which are present in the space also can act on the satellite, and these satellites can change the path due to these external forces. Whenever there is change in the path of the satellite, the path of the satellite has to be corrected, and correcting the position of the satellite from its deviated path, we call it as station keeping. So if proper station keeping is not maintained properly, then there will be some changes in the communication subsystem, because as the radius changes or inclination changes, even there may be change in the direction of the antenna and all. So there may be change in the direction of the antenna. The direction of the antenna has to be corrected, and if the distance increases, delay may be increased. So like this, we need to correct the position of the satellite, because in order to have a proper communication from the satellite. So station keeping is a process of performing small corrective maneuvers to keep a satellite within its designated orbital position and orientation despite orbital perturbations. And how we'll be performing the station keeping means, there are different methods how we can correct the position of the satellite. We can use there are different maintenance methods which we have. Now these maintaining methods can be divided into these types of station: east-west station keeping, north-south station keeping, and attitude station keeping. So if there is a longitude drift, then we go for east-west station keeping. If there is any inclination drift, then we go for north-south station keeping. And if there is change in the direction of the antenna, then we go for maintain correct satellite orientation. Okay. If the direction of the antenna is not proper, or if the direction of the satellite in which it is moving is not proper, then it has to be corrected. So this process has to be done in order to correct the position of the satellite.